Why do people make their phone flash when they get a notification? Because my friend almost got beat up for this the other day because we were at a restaurant and he was holding his phone, but then he got a text, so it started flashing like a fire alarm. And at first, no one said anything until he got another text about 30 seconds later, which made it flash again. But my friend was holding his phone like this when he got the notifications, so it was flashing to the table next to us. And the people sitting there was a family with 2 little kids. So the dad yelled at my friend and was like, "Hey, why are you taking pictures of my family?" So my friend tried to explain that he wasn't taking pictures and it was just his ridiculous notification alert. But the dad didn't believe him at all, and I don't blame him, because who would choose to make their phone do that? But then my friend showed him that he was telling the truth by having me text him. But honestly, I was kind of hoping the dad would beat my friend up just so he would finally change